Hello everyone, welcome to Rotork's booth here at WEFTEC 2012. We're in New Orleans and we're excited to be here. My name is Steve Fitzsimmons and I'm a product specialist with Rotork. We're going to talk about a couple new products that we have at the show and we're excited to share them with you. Although we're at WEFTEC and we're talking about water and wastewater, Rotork, since we are worldwide, is in process and markets all over the world. We're in mining, we're in oil and gas. You'll see our actuators in the mountains, you'll see them underground, you'll see them offshore, onshore, you'll see them in the Arctic, and you'll see them in the desert. Here are the two actuators I want to talk about today, the CMA and the CVA. The CMA is brand new, we just launched it this summer. The CVA has actually been out for about 3 years, but we've launched a new size, so I also want to talk about that. They're together in the same family of products of high precision electric actuators. This is the CMA. It's great product in the water market for control valves. We also use it for diaphragm pumps for automating the stroke control. It also makes a great actuator for small damper drives. It's got a brushless DC motor. It's maintenance free. Its gear case is sealed for life. And when I take the cover off, you're going to see the modular aspect of it, which allows us to put communication boards in there. And also it's going to show a great interface for you to set this actuator up. The great thing about this cover is it's got some nice relief on it, which aesthetically is pleasing, but surprisingly it gives you some great handholds. So it also got the nice Rotork logo and the manual override. Inside I was talking about what a modular design this is. You've got your motor and encoder assembly in here, permanently lubricated gear train down below. You've got your power control board here, you've got your logic board here, and then we have room in here to put COM boards, HART, Profibus, Modbus, DeviceNet. So really it's a very compact modular actuator. It's great for the process markets. What I wanted to do is show you this new HMI system we have. It's a push button station, makes it very easy to set up, gives you guys good visual cues with the lettering, and once you do it for about 5 minutes you'll be an expert at it. Now I want to talk about the CVA. This has been out for about 3.5 years, but we just come out with a larger size, 5,000 pounds of thrust. When you compare these two actuators, you can think of this as a higher end actuator, a step up. You never take the cover off for this product. It's sealed for life. You land all the terminals that you need on the back here. You have 0.1% accuracy instead of, say, 0.25%. And there's an incredible amount of asset management information that is retained inside the actuator. It uses a brushless DC motor. You can have all kinds of COM cards in here. And this has been a highly successful product for us for the last almost 4 years now. So what I want to do is to actually bring out for you my computer, show you the free software that Rotork gives you, and demonstrate how I can set this actuator valve combo up in a process environment in about a minute. So what I pulled up here is the Rotork Enlight software. It's free software online, and this is what you can use to set up the CVA actuator. So I've launched the application. What I want to do is I want to discover a new actuator. And what it's going to do is it's going to go look for all the Rotork CVAs that are within 10 meters of where I'm sitting. So you can see what's popped up is the one actuator that's found in 10 meters is this one right here. Well, the first set of digits is our serial number. The second one is a tag number or a valve number that the user can type in. So I'm going to select this actuator. It's going to establish a Bluetooth link. I'm going to log in as a user. There's passwords online, so you always have the default passwords, but you also have levels that you can set up inside your organization. Now we're going to exchange information between my laptop and the actuator. And right now it's telling me that it's connected. So there's lots of screens here. Quick setup wizard is probably the easiest place to go to. It allows you to set up your torque down to 40% of rated. This is where you change the name of the valve or the MOV. It knows it's a quarter turn actuator, so you can choose either of these actions. You can do limit or torque for your open and stop. Once you push start, it's going to do a self-calibration, a quick setup, and it takes about 1 minute for you to commission your actuator. Now if you look up top, there's all kinds of drop-down menus and screens. And there's a lot more detail and power inside this actuator. So feel free, you go to rotork.com, We've got the software there. You can download it for free. You can actually work offline and see some of the features that are there even if you don't have your actuator. For more information, go to www.rotork.com. I'm Steve Fitzsimmons, and thank you for coming to Rotork's booth here at WEFTEC 2012.